Hi guys, welcome back to Math Matters by GE. How are you? If it's your first time to the channel, I'm just gonna give you a sec to hit that subscribe button and also turn on your post notifications so that you'll be notified whenever a video drops. Alright, are you ready for our topic for today? We will be looking at LCM and HCF. All right, let's go. So these are our objectives. At the end of the video, you should be able to define these terms: prime numbers, factors, and multiples. And you should also be able to find the LCM and HCF of a number using the listing method. Multiples. What exactly are multiples? Multiples are numbers that when you multiply them by an integer, you get them. And we know integers are positive and negative whole numbers. Let's look at an example. So think of your timetable. We're going to look at the 6 times table. You have two numbers being multiplied by each other, the number 6 and a set of integers from 0 to 10. The numbers that you have on the right of the equal sign are the multiples of 6. So we have 6, 12, 18, 24, and 30. The first 4 multiples of 9, just think of your 9 times table. Think of the products that are on the right of the equal sign. And you will get 9, 18, 27, and 36. 9 times 1 gives you 9. 9 times 2 gives you 18. 9 times 3, 27. And 9 times 4, 36. So remember, we say that multiples are numbers you get when you multiply a certain number by an integer. Lovely. Let's move on to factors. What are factors? So a factor is a number that divides into another number exactly without leaving a remainder. Let's look at an example. What numbers divide into 12 without leaving a remainder? What's the first number that comes to mind? 1. 1 goes into 12 without leaving a remainder. You have 2, 3, 4, 6, and 12 itself. Those are the factors of 12. The term prime numbers refers to numbers that have 2 factors, 1 and itself. 13 is an example of a prime number. Only 1 and 13 can go into 13 without leaving a remainder. 4, however, is not an example of a prime number because we have 3 factors we can get for 4. 1 can go into 4, 2 can go into 4, and 4 can go into itself. So it has more than 2 factors. So it's not a prime number. We call it a composite number. So composite numbers are numbers that have more than 2 factors. Let's look at the factors of 18. Remember, factors are numbers that goes into the number without leaving a remainder. So we need to find those numbers that goes into 18 exactly. And if you pick up the pattern, 1 is a factor of every number because it goes into every number without leaving a remainder. So we have 1, we have 2, 9, 3, 6, 4. No, 4 doesn't go into 18. What about 5? No. Is there anything else on the list? No. So 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, and 18 are the factors of 18. They go exactly into 18 without leaving a remainder. All right. What are the factors of 24? Pause the video and let me see if you can list all the factors of 24. Remember to think of the numbers that can go exactly into 24. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, and 24 itself. Those are the factors. Now we're going to look at LCM. LCM refers to lowest common multiple, and we're going to be finding it using the listing method. As the name suggests, we're going to be listing the multiples, and we're going to find the common multiples, and we're going to identify the lowest. So multiples of 3, remember, think of multiplying integers by 3, and the product that you get will be the multiples of 3. So in that case, we have 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, and 27. We have an infinite or an unlimited amount of multiples for any number. So we're just going to be listing it to 27. Let's look at the multiples for 4. Integers multiplied by 4, the product will give us the multiples. So we have 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, and 32. Now we're going to identify the common multiples. What is common to both sets? So we see the 12 and the 24. Both numbers have multiples that are 12 and 24. However, we're looking for the lowest out of the two, which is smaller. It would definitely be the 12. Yes. The lowest common multiple of 3 and 4 will be 12. As easy as that. Let's go on to HCF or GCF. HCF stands for highest common factor, and sometimes they refer to it as GCF, which is greatest common factor. And we're going to be using the same listing method. We're going to list the factors, identify the common factors, and then the highest one will be our HCF. So factors of 20, we're going to think of the numbers that goes into 20 without leaving a remainder. And our winner is 1, 2, 4, 5, 10, and 20. Lovely. Those are the factors of 20. Now the factors of 24 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, and 24. So we're asked to find the HCF of 20 and 24. Let's highlight the common factors. 1 is a common factor. 2 is a common factor. What else can we spot in both sets? 4, lovely. Anything else? No. So we have 3 common factors, but the H tells us we're looking for the highest common factor. So out of the 3 factors, which has the highest value? And if you guessed 4, you're correct. The highest common factor will be 4. And that is how easy it is. Just like that. So thank you guys for stopping by. I hope to see you again. Remember to subscribe. I'm going to give you a sec to do it. And also remember to like the video and to share and to comment what topic you would want me to cover in our next video.